In this video, I will show you the 5-step process to starting the laziest AI side hustle. Let's get into it. So first of all, what even is the best AI side hustle to start right now? Let me break down the 3 most popular options that everybody's talking about and why 2 of them are complete traps if you're just getting started. Option number 1, we have starting an AI agency. Now look, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that AI agencies are bad. They're not. Some people are crushing it with them. But here's the problem. Everyone and their mom is starting an AI agency right now. Like literally everyone. And when I actually looked into the numbers, the total market for AI agencies is around $6 billion. Now that sounds like a lot, right? But just hold on, because when you compare that to what I'm about to show you, you'll realize this is actually a pretty small play. Plus, here's the biggest issue with AI agencies. You still need to go out and find clients. You're still doing cold outreach, DMing people, hopping on sales calls, and you're competing with thousands of other beginners who are all offering the same exact services. So yeah, I mean, AI agencies can work, but for most beginners, it's an uphill battle. Now, option number 2 is building an AI software. This is where the real money is, right? Build some SaaS product, get recurring revenue, sell it for millions, and honestly, I actually think this is the best way to make generational type wealth, like tens of millions of dollars, hundreds of millions type money. But here's the thing, 99.9% of you watching this video don't currently have the means to successfully build an AI software company. And I'm not trying to be mean here. I'm just being real with you. The AI software market is around $300 billion. It is a massive opportunity, don't get me wrong, but it's also extremely expensive, extremely time intensive, and extremely technical. You either need to know how to code, or you need to hire developers, which cost tens of thousands of dollars you probably don't have. So unless you already have technical skills, a bunch of capital, and 2 to 3 years to commit to this, AI software probably isn't the move for you right now. So with that being said, let me show you option number 3. And this is one that nobody's talking about. There is a $6 trillion industry, and AI just made it stupid simple for complete beginners to break into. I'm talking about e-commerce. Now, before you go and say dropshipping is dead or that's a scam, just hear me out for like 60 seconds, because what I'm about to show you is completely different than what you think. Last year alone, over 6 trillion were spent online, and AI is only just now starting to disrupt this space in a massive way. I've been doing e-commerce since 2017. I've seen every phase of this industry over the past decade, and I can tell you with complete confidence, there has never been a better time for beginners to get started than right now. Let me show you why. So here's what dropshipping used to look like before AI. You had to spend days, sometimes weeks, doing product research with all these expensive tools. You had to hire designers and pay them like $500 or $1,000 just to build you a half-decent looking store. You had to find content creators or videographers and pay them another $300 to $500 per video ad. And all of this would take you like 4 to 6 weeks minimum and cost you at least $2,000 to $3,000 just to get started. But now, with AI, everything I just described can be done in a single weekend for less than $100. Talk about lazy, huh? And I'm not exaggerating here. Let me show you exactly what I mean. To begin, this software will build you a website in a couple minutes. And for those of you who stayed at the end of the video, I'm actually gonna put it to the test, not just sit here and yap about it. Now, I'm gonna walk you through step by step. So in case you wanted to follow along, it'll be the first link down below in the description. And this tool is 100% free. The reason why it's free is because we've partnered with AutoDS and Shopify. So essentially what that means is myself and AutoDS gets paid by Shopify to bring in long-term users to the platform. It really is a crazy win-win-win situation here, because we only make money when people have success using this product. So again, click the first link down below in the description and then click Build My Free Store. From there, you'll get taken to this page, and all you need to do is enter some basic information like your name and email address. Once you click sign up, you're gonna get taken to this page where it's gonna prompt you to pick a niche. Now, when it comes to the niche, if you're a beginner, don't overthink it. What are you most passionate about? That's probably gonna be the best place to start. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and select fashion and apparel. From there, you just have to select a couple of banners for your homepage. Now, they give you a couple clean options to select. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these 2, following this theme of kind of beachwear, if you will. Next, it's gonna say create your Shopify account. So basically all we're doing here is we're setting up Shopify so the AI can link up with Shopify and create everything for us. And by the way, another crazy perk of using this is you're gonna get Shopify for your first 3 days completely for free, and then it's only $1 per month for the next 3 months. So this gives you ample time to start your business without any expenses. Next, it's gonna prompt you to put in your credit card information on Shopify. This is really important because if you don't do this step now, they're gonna limit your functionality and access to Shopify. But again, it's free for the first 3 days, so they're not gonna charge your card even for the $1. Then you're gonna get these basic Shopify questions, which aren't really all that important. So I'll just go ahead and click skip customized setup. And just like that, congratulations, you now have your Shopify account set up. Navigating back over to the AI, let's just go ahead and click done. And now Build Your Store has made it super easy to connect. So all you have to do is copy the URL at the top of your store and paste it into the AI and click save. Now you just want to make sure you're set up for the correct Shopify plan. So it'll take you back to Shopify and it'll take you directly to the place where you can select your plan. All you guys need is the basic plan. And remember, this is only $1 for the first 3 months. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click subscribe, but remember, they won't charge your card for the first 3 days anyway. Once you've done that, come back to the AI and click done. Then it's gonna say install Build Your Store app. Go ahead and click install app. Now it's time to customize your store. So just like that, in one click, the AI is going ahead and doing most of the heavy lifting for us. And then it'll say add top selling products. So this is where we register with AutoDS. And I'll tell you why this is so important in just a minute. So at the bottom, we click this button here that says register to AutoDS, select Shopify, and then it's gonna take us to another screen where we have to select another plan. Now again, starting AutoDS, you can do this for just $1. So go ahead and click start now for 99 cents. It's just gonna ask you a few questions about your goals in using AutoDS. And I would just click, I wanna simplify and speed up order fulfillment. And just like that, it's connecting your Shopify store to AutoDS. Now, AutoDS has really changed the game over the past few years. When I first started dropshipping way back in 2017, I was messaging all these private suppliers from China, constantly trying to find the best deals, the fastest shipping, and it was quite honestly the biggest headache of doing dropshipping. On top of that, I ended up getting scammed over $10,000 on my first large order with a supplier, and it was around that time that I had met the founder of AutoDS and learned about what they were first doing. Now, in the beginning, it seemed like they were simply white labeling AliExpress and taking all of the products onto AutoDS and providing a seamless experience for you to add those products to your own store. But I quickly realized that they were building the future of e-commerce. About 5 or 6 years later, AutoDS is that all-in-one engine that can do literally everything. You can import products in one click. You can have all of your orders automatically fulfilled and sent out to all of your customers with tracking information sent to their email. And on top of that, AutoDS can source literally any product under the sun. If you want to sell anything that you found anywhere else, chances are AutoDS will already have it in their warehouses, and if not, they'll source it for you. On top of that, they have warehousing across the United States, which means that you don't have to dropship from China anymore, and you can actually get 2 to 3 day shipping times. Beyond that, because of how big they've grown, they've become the most competitive when it comes to pricing, and they have the fastest shipping rates in the industry. Not only are beginners benefiting from using AutoDS every single day and starting for just $1, but even intermediate and advanced e-commerce brand owners still use AutoDS as their go-to. Now that you know a bit about AutoDS, come back to the AI and click done. And just like that, guys, in less than, 4 minutes, everything is now ready to go and your Shopify store is live. So congratulations on making it this far, because most people drop off before they even see the store. Now, when you click access your store, what you'll notice is it says opening soon. If we go back over to our Shopify dashboard and we click on the left-hand side here where it says online store under sales channels, all we have to do is come here where it says password protected. To remove the password, add a store address. So go ahead and add a store address, and you can just use your own personal information for this, and then click remove password. Now, if we go back over to that page, we can see everything is live on our store when we hit refresh. So this is what the homepage looks like. You can see the banner that I selected. Because I wanted to get into the clothing space. They've gone ahead and added some AI images in here, as well as some benefit-driven text, copy, and even testimonials down at the bottom. But more importantly than the homepage, if we go over to catalog, we can take a look at the different products that were added to our store. Now, all of these products are viral, winning, and data-backed, selected from AutoDS and imported onto our store. So I've actually seen these earrings on Facebook ads. I've seen this necklace trending and doing really well. And if we click into any of these products, we can see all of the AI images are loaded up onto our store, ready to go. We can easily select the different colors of the products. We even have built-in bundles on the website, which is really good for increasing our average order value and driving more revenue. And then down below, we can see exactly when the product will arrive, some testimonials, and some benefit-driven copy outlining what the product is and why people should buy it. And as we keep scrolling, we can see pretty much everything is already built out for us, guys. Now, do you want to stop here? I don't think so. Although you have everything ready to go, it is definitely nice to put your own few tweaks onto things and add a little bit more to make your store yours. So by heading back over to Shopify, all you have to do now is hit customize, and immediately you can start changing out anything you don't like or you want to improve. You can start adding in some of your own images, you can change the banners. Really, the sky's the limit at this point for what you want to do with your own store. Just to give you a briefing on how to actually use Shopify, well, all the customizable stuff is right here under online store in the theme section. You can also add different pages, like maybe a track your order page, contact us page, and edit those in this section. And you can change a few of the small preferences and how your website will show up on Google in this tab here. Now, moving up to the very top, we have the home page, and usually there's just a few recommendations and your basic analytics, like how many website visitors you have, your total sales, your orders, and things like that. Below, we have the orders tab, which is where all your orders are going to start to auto-populate. And in products here, this is where all the different products that are currently on your store are. So if you want to add a new product, you can come here. Or if you want to remove an existing product, you can also do that here. And by clicking into a product itself, this is where you can change out the different images that show up on your website, as well as the description of your product. The customers tab will show you the information from all of the people who start buying on your website. The marketing tab will basically be where you can start setting up different marketing campaigns. You have a discount section if maybe you want to give your friends and family coupons or gift cards or things like that. Content is where all your images, videos, GIFs, anything that you use to make your website look better is going to show up. Markets is where you can start to set up different shipping rates for different countries. And in the finance and analytics section, basically just gives you an in-depth dive into how your store is doing in real time. But now, most importantly, if you'd followed along with me earlier when I was walking you through how to set up AutoDS, you should see this little app down below on your store that says AutoDS. When you click into this application, it'll take you straight into the AutoDS dashboard, which has done a beautiful job of integrating with Shopify itself. But I usually like to access it a little deeper and click Access AutoDS Platform right here. Now, of course, they're going to give you a brief tutorial on how to use everything, but at this point, I've been using them for years, so I'm just going to quickly skip past this. Now, what's really cool is you have a hand-picked product section on the left-hand side here. If you ever don't know what to sell, they are constantly coming up with the best products every single day that are working for thousands of other sellers. If you want to take things a step further, you can go to the Ad Spy section and spy in real time on what ads are performing the best for people on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok right now. But most importantly, remember how I was saying earlier that if you want to add products to your store, you can do so in one click? All you have to do is come over here to add products, click single product, and then paste the URL of any product that you find on AliExpress, Home Depot, Walmart, Wayfair, Amazon, any of these big websites, and AutoDS will source it for you and add it to your store automatically so everything's ready to go. So I hope you followed along with what I was doing. If not, just go back, click that first link in the description, and follow along slowly. Because as you can see, in just the past few minutes, without spending a dime, I've got a full website, real winning products ready to go, my supplier is connected, everything is done. And I didn't write a single line of code. God bless the internet, man, for real. So now, arguably the hardest part of everything is gonna be marketing your store, actually bringing people and getting paid. But thanks to AI, you can have tons of ads whipped up in minutes, and these ads can be posted for free on TikTok and Instagram. So not only am I telling you guys this shit actually works, I'm walking you through exactly how to do it, and I'm even doing it myself and documenting all of it right here on my YouTube channel, while giving you a completely free course, a free community, a custom built website, all for free, Just use the link down below in the description to get access to everything. And please smash the like button while you're down there to help me reach and impact more people. And click this next video to see me doing it live in action. Peace out.